rainy day in Dakar.
Girl, I really need you in my life now. When you put it on me, girl, it's man down. I know he nothing like me, tell him pipe down. Know he nothing like me, tell him pipe down. Baby, you can swing my way. You know I don't play no game. Fighting good, girl, I'ma grip on your waist.
Okay, guys, so I am trying to get to the American store. It's like 10ish in the rising. I'm trying to get things for pancakes and oatmeal, and for some reason when it rains it's like barely any taxi. This is the best time you can make money, and they're like you're not coming outside. So I think we're about to hop on this bus. Oh no, it's too crazy. So I tried to tell my homeboy, like, let's just get on the bus, because we've been out here for like how long? Like 20 minutes. So I'm like, let's just get on the bus. That was too much. When I seen it, I was like, no, never mind. I was gonna get on. I didn't think it would be that packed this early. Everybody is in a taxi. Nobody is carpooling during this time. Oh my God. And it's not even really raining like that. It's just like heavy sprinkles. A little bit past sprinkling, but really it is sprinkling. It's funny. So, yes, let's see if we even make it to the American store, because it's like, really?
waaw ñoom dara. waaw.
Ça va.
yaa ngi. ñu ngi fa. benn. 3000. 3500.
Okay. Sauce tomate.
Yeah.
Toi. Huh? Okay. Yes. All right, you guys. So I am done with the American store. I am headed home, and I got some things for lunch. I forgot to vlog because I was in a rush, but I got some things for lunch. Ooh, nasty. And yeah, this was our rainy day. And look, this is what we need to see is how it is super sunny out here now. It looks like it's dry and sunny, like it didn't even rain. And that's the magic of Africa. At least in Senegal, it will rain, and it looks like it's over with. And then all of a sudden the sun will come out before the end of the day, and it looks like it rained a few days ago or not at all, literally not at all. So that's one thing I love about rainy season here in Senegal. It's short, and then even though like when you wake up and it's like, hold on, umbrella's falling. When you wake up and you see it's raining, you're like, okay, day's over, everything's canceled. But you can't really do that. It's not like that here. It doesn't mean that it's over with. The sun is always shining again. That's a lesson. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. Peace out.
I see you in the moonlight dancing, yeah. Only need one chance, girl, right here. One night stand, please don't have fear.